Welcome to Driving Instructor First Driving Game. Let's go.
Oh, Josh, you're good at this. Oh, signal. Oh. Okay, so what have we got? Okay, lesson 1. Welcome to the tutorial. Belt up and turn on your engine, then drive to and stop in the finish zone. Okay, let's go. Okay, engine start. Press that. Yeah, the engine's on. Okay, I've got some controls here. Is there any way to change that? Ooh, reverse. Okay, no. Okay, let's go. Let's go use those. Follow the arrows. And, oh crap! Oh! Don't damage your car. No, that was not working. Okay. So we need to go into reverse. That was not what I was supposed to do. Okay, we're in reverse. So I press forward. Yeah, that works. Okay. Wait. Don't do that. Oh, crap, wrong way. Okay, so I've managed to stop in the box. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, so car handling 20, road rules 0, your score 20. Okay, so good start. Tutorial 1 done. We'll just go next. Let's go next. Tutorial introduces stop signs. Your car must come to a complete halt before passing the stop sign. Okay, start the engine. Seatbelt on. Let's go. Okay, so I guess I just press back before the stop sign. Oh, stop it. Oh, crap. Nope. That was not what I was supposed to do. Okay, never mind. Whee, some good handling on this. Oh, stop on there. Hey! Failed again. Well, that wasn't a good one. Let's try again. So we'll go on to the next one. Introducing blinkers. You must indicate you're turning at any junction. Use the buttons before you turn. Okay, so I've got to learn to indicate. Great. Okay, start the engine. Seatbelts on. Let's hit the road, Jack. So I'm turning right, so pop a signal on there. Oh, yes. Oh, you got this, Josh. Okay. Round we go. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Oh, Josh, you're good at this. Oh, signal. Oh, into reverse. Off we go. This isn't looking good. I don't like this car park at all. Okay. I've got to get in a bay. We're going for the forward bay parking. Don't hit that car, whatever that is. Looks like a Carrera. Okay. Well, I managed to get in the bay. Only one smash into the wall this time. I call that a win. Okay. So, next one. Driving at night. You must turn your headlights on before driving at night. Okay. Let's turn the headlights on. So, we press the lights. Yes, headlights are now on. Engine on. And there we go, seatbelts on, let's go. Oh, signal. Whee. Bonus for using the signal, did you like that? Yes. Yeah. Oh, slow down around this corner. I think I got this time. Wait, what's going on here? Stop. Wait. Yes. This is going to be perfect, this one. And stop in the box. Yes, Josh. Get in. Okay, so I've just realised you can either get the bonus double money by watching an advert, or you can skip that and just get the standard 120. So I'm just going to skip that because the last thing I want to do is be watching adverts. Okay, next one. Let's go. Introducing traffic lights. You must stop for the red lights. Only pass when they are green. Remember to use blinkers if I need to. Engine on. Seatbelt, let's go. Okay, I like this Mini. Stop before red lights. Oh, red light. Boom. Easy. Okay. Green for go. So it actually teaches you about red lights and how they function. I think that's absolutely awesome. Okay, watch your speed. Obey any speed limit signs. Don't go over the speed. Wow, that's awesome. You actually have to follow the speed. That's ridiculous. I mean, it's not ridiculous, but it is. Okay, wait. Whoa, that's a bit grim, that. 10 miles an hour? Is this for real? 10 miles an hour. Where am I going in here? It looks like I'm going for a park. Oh my goodness. What? Oh, I don't understand that. Okay. Okay, so we're going to go with the triple line technique here. Let's see if that works. No, it's not going to work. Doesn't matter. We're going to go forward a bit more. I just don't want to hit these cones, really, because that made me look really bad. Okay, let's go with it. We're going reverse bay parking. Whoops, the old turn the wrong way. Don't do that. Yes, look at that. There we go. There we go. Oh, turn around. What are you on about? I've done it? Oh, it wants me to forward bay park. Well, that sucks. Oh, what about if I just go back a bit more? Will it let me? No, it really wants me to forward bay park. Well, that's a bit sucky, but okay. If you insist. Oh my goodness, that's not comfortable. Got it. Not my best parking, but, you know, I'd say it was a pass, for sure. Lol. Do I like the game? Yes, I do, and I will rate it, but I'm just not going to do it right now. Online multiplayer? No, I don't think so. Not for me at the moment. Okay, windscreen wipers. Use your wipers if it rains and turn them off if it stops raining. Okay, let's go. Is it raining? What are you on about? Oh, I forgot to do them. Oh my goodness, I'm not doing very well here with this one. Bit of a fail. Not great at all. Josh, that was not good. Not good at all. I'm going to have to come back to that one at a later date. Okay, next, what we got? Reversing your car. Well, I've learnt to do that already. Okay, so we've got lights if it's dark, it's sunny, it's not raining. Okay, bang it into reverse. Oh yeah, we can do this. Easy, easy. I don't know if that speed's realistic. Whoops! Okay, we'll remember to take that out of the video, Josh. Okay. Yeah, we can do this. Whoops, a daisy again. Just scrape that bad boy. No, that's not going well. Okay. Don't hit a wall while you are reversing. Oh. Okay. Definitely not my best. Facts, quite possibly my worst. But never mind, never mind. Oh, look at that, minus 80 points. Ugh. Okay, what we got next? Introducing GPS, follow the blue line to reach your destination. Start the engine. Let's go. Okay. Let's follow the blue line. I think that's a signal, is it? Is that a bad signal? What's the speed limit here? 50 miles an hour. Crikey, I can fly. Best turn that off. How fast am I going? It doesn't say the speed limit. Oh, there it is. It was covered. Okay. Whee! Going the wrong side of the road there, Josh. Watch that car. Oh, just stopped for red light. It was green light. 30. Whee! What the hell? Oh, it's another car. Crikey. What was he stopped at a green light for? The drongo. Okay. Oh, signal, don't forget that. Still daytime, it's not raining. Come on. As you can tell, this game really teaches you patience as well. Green light, bonus 50. Yes, Josh. Oh, another red light. And a zebra crossing. Look at that, zebra crossing. Oh, forgot the blinker. Zebra crossing. Yes. 35 speed limit. Wait, park here. Oh, never mind. Oh, I didn't let the taxi know where I was going, so now I'm gonna just... He's not happy about that. He's definitely not happy because I forgot to use the blinker. That's amazing. That's absolutely awesome. Okay, so this is the last one for me. This long bus is more of a challenge to keep in lane. Introducing lane rules. Don't cross solid centre lines. Interesting. Oh, forgot to turn the engine on. Downer. Okay. Don't cross the lines in the massive bus. Wait. Oh. Okay. Blinkers. Why am I using blinkers? Oh. Just signals. Okay. Whee! Whew. Okay, stops at a green. Didn't stop at a green light. Went at a green light. I'm staying on my side of the road. Isn't that easy? Now there's lots of options you can do with this, where you can actually, if I can figure out how to get to options. No, whoa, do I want to do that? No. Oh, I could do that. Okay, so yeah, so you can actually drive inside the car. Oh, but don't hit the wall. Okay, so that's quite tough. Way. Nice, Josh. Nice. Real good job there, mate. Real good job. Let's just try and reverse out a little bit. Whoops, a daisy. Just try and park over that way a little bit. No. Really not good at this bus, Mark. Nope. Seriously. Not good. Why can't I get the damn bus in? Right. Gonna have to have a look at a different view. Okay, well that's why. Because basically, the bus just isn't in. Try again. So Josh, you are definitely not one for draft bus driving. Okay, easy, in one. Now, as I say, there are all sorts of options that you can change for this game. You can choose on which side of the road you want to drive on. You can choose which lane you want to be in. You can choose whether to turn the phone or just using your left and right. You can choose on the view. There's so much you can change. Absolutely fantastic game as far as I'm concerned. I can't wait to carry on. Welcome back. For those of you that still don't know me, I am the one and only Joshua Ramwell, and I'm about to rock your driving world. Stay tuned. So how many of you out there are raring to get your driving lessons done, but don't know what to do between your driving lessons? You're sick to death of watching the mock tests. You can't bear to watch another how-to video about driving. You haven't got the motivation to watch any more bad drivers on dashcam. So what the hell to do now? Well, I'll tell you what to do. Get your phone out your pocket, check the description below, and download that game that's in there. You want to know why, Josh? Why would I do that? I'll tell you why now. Stay tuned. So this here is a learning to drive simulator. Now there's loads of them out there, but for learning to drive, I think this one's the best. Now I know you can't get everything out of this game that you can do in the real world, but I'll tell you now, there is still a hell of a lot that you can. Like what, you're asking? Well, to start with, it's damn good fun. Don't believe me? Maybe you'll believe the other 278,000 reviews. Best of all, it's completely free with no strings attached. Next, you're asking, well, what does it actually teach you? The most important thing this teaches you is how to adapt to new situations. If I pop to the supermarket, no two journeys have ever been the same. Now, this is half the reason why so many people fail their driving test. Because some new situation came up on the driving test that they've never seen before and they weren't able to adapt to it quick enough. Now, this game actually introduces weather changes. It introduces speed limits. It introduces winter weather, summer weather. It allows you to change on whether you drive on the left side of the road or whether you drive on the right side of the road and what side is the wheel on, the left side or the right side, depending on where you are around the world. You ever struggle to drive in traffic or follow the speed limit? Have a go. This'll teach you. It has realistic traffic situations. You can even select up to 28 different cars, including buses and whatever else you want. If you enjoyed that and it's helped at all and you're going to download it, like and subscribe, help other people find this as well.